In the British lady rape case, Kankona police has succeeded to procure a CCTV footage in which one suspect can be seen. The CCTV footage is going to play a crucial role in this case.
Today in the police station of Kankona, we got an information in wee hour, morning hours. So one British national is 48 years old. She got some sexual assaulted and robbed by some unknown person. There was one person, and immediately once we got the information, the search means senior officers gave direction to search the area and find out the suspect. During this investigation, we circulated, we examined all the CCTV footage, and the local intelligence was laid on कि कौन हो सकता है, किस तरह का आदमी है, क्या है. तो during the investigation we got one CCTV footage in which we have zeroed down कि उसका हुलिया कैसा है, वो दिखता कैसा है, and we immediately registered a case, and now the search is going on. Definitely will arrest him very soon. Right now we can't say anything because everybody is under our radar. So जो भी आएगा sir will let you know.